Hello everyone and welcome to this video guide. I will share with you step by step how you can cancel your Deep AI subscription. So friends, follow me in this video guide. First, if you go to your accounts on the top right corners and then go to your dashboard, you didn't see any direct option to cancel your subscription. So friends, all you have to do, go to this feedback section or this form, submit this form. From here, click on subscription on this section side, and the type of your section, click features the request. From the request description, for example, write the message, I want to cancel my membership, and then write your email subscription, write your all details here, write your email from here, and then click on submit. So if you didn't see any option for cancellation from here, submit this form to get refund, and then write this message, I want to get for refund, and then click on submit this option. Basically, this is how you can do, friends. I hope this guide helpful for you. Don't forget give like and give share this